Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to talk about promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're going to only use one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but because they trust the system, but we only using one because you wouldn't trust it right away, right? So that's why reason why I'm only using one account and show that type of results and show the type of results you can get with just one account. You might get better results to me, worse results to me, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just showing you what I get, guys. Now before we get started, make sure if you want to follow along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the product. Essentially because it's a very good product. It's a funnel builder, and with no real limitations towards it, you get a lot of stuff. And a funnel builder is something essentially what you need to really elevate your business online marketing, and learning how to make one as well. If you used a funnel builder before, you already kind of know how to use it. To be honest with you, it's not that complex, but there are videos showing you how to do everything, of course pinning it all together and setting it up really nice. And you can set up any kind of business doing this, guys. In any kind of online business, you need a funnel builder if you really want to elevate it. All right, guys, so yeah, that's essentially it. In the most popular funnel builder out today is ClickFunnels, which is $149 per month, guys. That's absolutely insanity, and it has a ton of limitations on it. I can't believe when I paid $97. When I was paying it for it, I paid $97, and it was ridiculous. That was a ridiculous amount of money. I should have never paid that. It's $149 now. That's absolutely bonkers to me. All right, guys, so anyway, guys, second reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business here is because of this affiliate system, guys. This affiliate system is the best in the world. To be honest with you, 80% recurring commissions is insane. You can build up your money real quick doing this. I love it. I think it's great. All right, guys, so anyway, let's show our results here. We're gonna refresh the page. Now when people show you results, make sure they refresh the page, show you real results. All right, guys. Okay, we did not get a sale yesterday, guys, which is totally fine. It's all right, but it's okay, guys. You just have to persevere. Now the people that don't get this built up are people that quit at these type of moments, and you got to keep at it, guys. You got to keep at it. You're gonna have some highs and lows when it comes to doing stuff like this. You're gonna have them. And you got to stick to them. And anyway, guys, let's go ahead and go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. I already got everything picked out here. Yeah, we're gonna get my leads. We're gonna pick out email. We're gonna send all that stuff. We're gonna use this link here, guys. Make sure you use the all-in-one $25 business link here, guys, because it promotes the $20 recurring commission and the $100 recurring commissions. For people who are asking how I'm getting $100 recurring commissions, that's what it promotes both. All right, guys. So yeah. And yeah, we're gonna put that in now. Make sure you hit perfect time. Perfect time does send an email around time people check emails, and you want to preview and make sure your link works, guys. And then we're just gonna send an email. Boom, and we're done. That's all it takes, guys. It's simple, easy, quick, and we're done. That's all. All right. And yeah, that's it. It's over. And guys, you just follow this along every day. You'll be making money for basically free. About a minute a day. The only reason it takes me this long because I'm making a video about it. Guys, I'm giving you a way to make some extra money. Easily make some extra money, guys. All right, last month I made $680 doing this, and it's slowly building up. It might be a slow month this month, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm just saying it's really building up. All right, guys, so anyway, let's shut this down here, guys. If you want to follow along, the links in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.